Hello everyone, my name is Ditendra Acharya. Welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you a nice mocktail. Mocktail name is American Ocean. How to make the American Ocean? For American Ocean mocktail you need blue cocoa syrup, Monster, lime cordial or fresh lime and cranberry juice. How to make that American Ocean mocktail? First of all take a tall glass and fill the glass with ice cube. Okay, then simply you have to pour lime juice or lime cordial and add Monster. You have to add some more ice cube. Okay, then simply you have to pour Monster. Then you have to pour blue cocoa syrup. So this is a 3 layer based mocktail. And you have to pour the cranberry juice from the top. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.